Hey you! In this video, we're going to talk about a new Instagram feature that allows your followers to see the likes and comments on your reels. This might be frustrating for those who prefer to keep that private, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you exactly how to disable it. Follow step by step from here. Go to 3 lines as shown in the video. Here you need to select Activity in Friends tab, as shown in the video. Here you have 2 options and you need to select No One. This feature will actually help you from stop showing you likes and comments in Reels section for your followers. I request you all to give this a try and drop a comment if it worked for you. Also, do not forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.